Good morning, children. As you are going to have the self assessment the day after tomorrow, today I want to give you some information pointing to the blueprint of the examination and how to prepare for the exam. So, to start with, this is the blueprint. That means this is the way how the paper is going to be. So, in total, there are 8 Romans, in which the first one is MCQs, wherein 5 MCQs will be given and each carries 1 mark. So total MCQs carries 5 marks. And the second Roman is fill in the blanks. Second Roman is fill in the blanks. There will come 5 fill in the blanks, each carries 1 mark. So 5 into 1 gives 5 marks. Then the third one is matching. Okay, total of 5 things will be given which you have to match. For that, each will be given 1 mark, so total makes 5 marks. Next, the fourth Roman is true or false. Okay, so you will be given some questions wherein you will find which is true and which is false. For that one also, as each one carries 1 mark, the total 5 marks will be given. And the next fifth one is aptitude. As I told and as it was given in the syllabus, 1 to 5 pages. You have to practice the 1 to 5 pages of your aptitude book. And each question carries 1 mark, so total 5 into 1 is equal to 5 marks again. Next is solve the following, that means short answer type questions. In the 6th Roman, short answer type questions will be given. Each question carries 2 marks. You will be given 2 questions. 2 questions of each 2 marks will be given, which makes a total of 4 marks for the 6th Roman. And the 7th Roman also contains questions only. They are a bit large answer type questions. That means 3 questions will be given. Each question carries 3 marks. So total 3 into 3, 9 marks. And the last one is hearts. Only 1 question will be given which carries 2 marks. So total for hearts is 2 marks. And for the heart question, don't worry too much to solve this. It's going to be very easy. A small logic will be there and no need to practice all the miscellaneous questions or the value based questions in the textbook. It will be very easy. Just a thought of basics should be given in order to answer this. So total 8 Romans and the marks were given in this order and the total marks is 40 marks. Hope you are clear with this. So this is the way how the paper is going to be. Now I will tell you the topics wise preparation model. So please follow it. So coming to chapter 1, as you know, you have 3 chapters, namely chapter 1 and the next one chapter 10 and chapter 18. So in chapter 1, these are the topics which you have to cover. So first one, Indian system of numeration, international system of numeration, place value, face value. That means you will be given a number. You have to write the same in Indian system or in the international system as specified. Then you will be given a number. You have to write the place value of it and similarly the face value. Next, expanded form and the compact form. So compact form is reverse of expanded form. Next one is conversion. Conversion means, okay, for example, look, 1 billion is equal to, so 1 billion is equal to 10 crores, 10 lakhs. So 1 billion is equal to 10 lakhs. So this kind of questions which are already there in the fill in the blanks of the exercises. And lastly, smallest to greatest, that means which is the smallest 7-digit number, which is the greatest 9-digit number. So the questions will come up like that. So one thing I want to make you clear, no need of practicing all the concepts and all the topics. That means don't follow unnecessary examples and everything. Just practice the exercises. That will be enough. Okay, don't go to the example problems or miscellaneous or something, value based questions, that kind of stuff. Just follow the exercises, and in the exercises also try to practice each question. That means one question for one topic. For example, take Indian system, take the one example of it, and if you're quite satisfied with that, go to next. Like that you practice. Don't start sitting and doing all the questions. Okay, concept is quite important. Now let us move to chapter 10, Roman numerals. So for the topic Roman numerals, as you are quite familiar with this concept, so the questions will come right as the Roman numerals, right as Hindu Arabic numerals. Here find the sum means, as you know, so you will be given some C plus L. Like that you have to find the sum, which we have already discussed during revision also. And properties of Roman numerals means this will be helpful for you to answer true or false matching, fill in the blanks, and the MCQs questions. As I have given some properties in the CW, that means L should not be subtracted. So that kind of questions will be given. So you please just go through them. No need to by heart. Just go through the properties which we have discussed. So being the chapter, this gives a great scope of scoring. So work on it very carefully. So Roman numerals, Hindu Arabic numerals, only sum will be given. No multiplication or other things will be given. Only sum. And the properties of Roman numerals. Now let us check symmetry. So the next chapter is chapter 18, symmetry. The concepts which you have to check for this chapter are, the first one is reflection or line symmetry. That means you will be given some letters or the shapes for which you have to check how many lines of symmetry the respective figure is going to carry. For example, if I give the letter Z, you will check horizontal symmetry and vertical symmetry, whether it is going to carry any lines of symmetry. If there is no symmetry, you will simply write no symmetry. And for example, shapes. If I give you a triangle like this, you will check whether how many lines of symmetry this triangle is going to carry, and you will draw that figure and the number of lines of symmetry for it, and you will write. If it is carrying 3, you will show it 3. Okay, so this is the first thing. And the next is rotational symmetry. Very easy, this one. No complex questions will be given. Just go through the topic, that's all. Don't practice everything. As I am saying, just check the concepts. The next one is for 2D shapes. That means octagon. Okay, next pentagon. So how many lines of symmetry these figures are going to carry? Okay, this kind of stuff you have to practice for the symmetry. That's all. The examination is going to be very easy. Just you need to have a firm knowledge on the concepts. So just practice very sensibly. Don't work too much hard. So please practice the revision tests which I have given and the other revision sheets or the worksheets for these respective chapters. That will be enough. So I wish you all the best for the examination. Have a great day.